In this tutorial, we're going to use the text-to-columns tool. This tool takes data in one column and splits it into multiple columns. This is useful when you have text data that might have multiple things in it. A great example would be a phone number has an area code and then the base and extension, I believe. It is possible that you could extract the area code from that by splitting your data up into multiple columns, which would all have separate useful information. In this case, we are going to be reading in museum data, which has, as one of its columns, an address which includes a city. However, the city is listed as city name, comma, state abbreviation. So that's why we'll need to be splitting it. Within our parse menu, we have text to columns. Looks like it's also in favorites. Just going to drag this down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that the field that I'm splitting is city. The delimiter is a comma, meaning the thing that we're breaking it apart on is a comma. I know that there's only going to be two columns present because it's going to be a city name, comma, the state's abbreviation. And if there are extra columns, which we don't have to worry about in this case, just leave them all in the last field. What that would mean is if I had a data set with, if a city had 6 commas in its name, this would break on the first one, and then after that would treat all subsequent ones as being part of the state. That's not what we want in this case, but that's how it would be handled. And with that, I'll just go and drag a browse tool down. And run. And if I scroll all the way to the very end here, which it occurs to me, my video probably has my face covering, but we'll have city 1, city 2, because it was the city field that we broke, that turns into Tuscaloosa AL. So that's working how we wanted it to work, and that's always a good thing.